Thank you for participating in our study. My name is John, and today I'm going to be teaching you on how to collect your own stool sample. For those of you who may not know, a stool sample is what scientists call poop. You might ask, why do we need your poop? Well, as a matter of fact, there are many tiny organisms that live within your gut that play an important role for your health. So the more we learn about your poop, the more we learn about you and your health, which will help us in our study. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything ready. We will be needing 5 things. First, toilet paper to wipe yourself with. Second, a collection kit. This has the swab that you will be using to take the sample and the tube to put it in. Do not open the kit until you are ready to poop. 3. A permanent marker. You will need this to write on the tube with. 4. A watch or a phone. This will help you tell the time. And 5. The return envelope to send your sample back to us. Once you have everything ready, you are now ready to collect. Collecting a small sample of poop for this study is very simple. In this video, I'll be using chocolate ice cream as an example, but you will be going to the bathroom as usual. To get started, you will first need to poop. After you have wiped yourself, you are ready to start collecting. This is the swab that you will be using to sample your poop. Do not open your swabs until you have a sample ready to be collected. Do not try to collect directly from your poop in the toilet. This is messy and not necessary. Just collect from the toilet paper that you used to wipe. When collecting your sample from the toilet paper, carefully rub your swab against the surface of your sample. Be sure to not collect too much because a little bit goes a long way. Once you've collected your sample, place the swab back in the tube. Do not open it again because your sample may be affected. Take note of what time and day it is. Use the permanent marker to write the time and date on the tube. Once you've collected your sample, tear off a piece of new toilet paper, for this will provide padding when you ship your sample. Then, wrap the collection kit in toilet paper. Once wrapped, place the collection kit in the self-addressed envelope provided. Remember, seal the envelope and mail it back within 48 hours of collecting. Before we wrap up here, let's recap on what we have just learned. 1. You will need to poop. 2. Wipe yourself with toilet paper, then use that to collect your sample. 3. Carefully rub your swab across your sample. 4. Once you've collected your sample, place the swab back in the tube. 5. Label the time and date on the collection kit with a permanent marker. And 6. Wrap the tube in toilet paper and put it in the envelope and seal it. Now you're ready to send off your poop for research. Place your collection kit in the addressed envelope, then drop it off in the mailbox as soon as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to replay this video or call the number on the pamphlet. And now you're all set. Thank you for your help.